Hi, I'm Paiton Keeney from Modern Trailer Sales. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of the 2019 Crossroads Sunset Trail 336 BH. We're going to start right here with some outdoor storage. It goes all the way to the other side. You can fit practically anything you might need in there. Over on this side, we're going to go check out the outdoor kitchen area. As well as this unit has two doors. So door number 1 is right there. Door number 2 is right here that we're going to pass. So the kitchen is very easily accessible. It's held up with magnetic panels. Has a pull-out area here, as you can tell. Locks. Some space up here for you to keep any belongings. And a mini refrigerator as well. Close that up. Easy to lock there. Now we're going to head on inside of the unit. Inside of this trailer, you can tell that the layout is very spacious and beautiful. So inside, you'll see right when you walk in, the amazing master room. So inside the master room, you do have above head storage and storage on both sides. And it does have sliding doors. You do that with a little button thing here, slide it. You can close both sides. Just put it right back there. Right here you will find your couch that does have a recliner and folds into a bed. Across from the couch you'll find your entertainment system. You place a large TV here. Sound system here with plenty of storage above and below. You'll find your 2-door extra large refrigerator, microwave, stovetop, oven, and a double-sided sink with plenty of storage above and below. Your booth dinette area that does turn into a bed. That will lead us right here to all of this extra cabinet space. Plenty of space here. Come check this out. You can look inside of those cabinets. There's 3 of those large ones. And then 4 more down below. And that will lead us on into the bathroom right here. Inside the bathroom you'll find your second exit. And here, you can come check this out. The large area in here. Coat rack right there. You'll find some more space to put some towels, anything else over in that corner. You will find this one does have a bathtub. When you step in here, you'll notice you have areas for soap, things like that. You can put your arms out really far in this one. You can step out really wide. It does have a movable shower head for you. And a lot of counter space. So stepping out of the bathroom, we'll head into the bunk room. Inside this room, there's plenty of space to sleep. You can fit 2 on this bed, 1 here, more bunks here, and a couch down there. You can turn that into a sofa or pull it out into a bed. Under this bunk right here, you will find another area for storage. You can fit so much down there. And it also comes with a light right here. Again, I'm Paiton Keeney from Modern Trailer Sales, home of the RV warranty forever. Thanks for coming on a tour with me today. Make sure you check us out online at www.moderntrailer.com.